Hello guys, I am on my way sa classroom kung saan magtuturo tayo. Look, nililinisan talaga yung mga buildings dito guys. Everyday classroom or whatnot. Tingnan nyo naman. So, students can sit here, study or whatnot. Ganda. This is the first floor. And it has 3 floors. Dito tayo sa room natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Like here. Our students can just sit here as well. Meron mga charging points. Ayan. Wait lang ha, para makita natin lahat. Ooh. You see? Mga study coaches. Ito pala yung room ko. 181. Ayan. I-open natin yung light. Ganda. Yun. Digital. So, andito na ako sa room ko, guys. This is basically the room that I'm going to be teaching in today. With a digital screen. Pwede magsulat doon if it's necessary. Very conducive talaga to learning yung mga classrooms dito, even the university itself. So, sana ganito din sa Pilipinas. Although, meron namang mga institutions na ganito na talaga yung level no, sa atin, yung mga private institutions. But hopefully, this should be accessible to ordinary Filipinos, even though you are born, as they call them, poor. But that shouldn't be the issue para magkaroon tayo or ma-receive natin yung quality education. So this is our topic for today. Tourism as livelihood diversification. And I'm just waiting for my students to be here and see you later to 30th Street.